Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make faux broth with beef bones. First, prepare your beef bones by rinsing them well under cold water. Then, blanch the bones in boiling water for about 10 to 15 minutes. This crucial step removes impurities, ensuring a clear and flavorful broth. After blanching, drain and rinse the bones one more time before moving to the next stage. Next, gather your aromatic spices. Toast whole spices such as star anise, cloves, and cinnamon sticks in a dry pan until fragrant. This enhances their flavor significantly. Also, char a large piece of ginger and 1 or 2 onions directly over a flame until slightly blackened. These steps are key to developing the complex, signature taste of faux broth. Now it's time to simmer your broth. Place the cleaned bones, toasted spices, and charred aromatics into a very large stock pot. Cover everything with plenty of cold water, ensuring all ingredients are submerged by several inches. Bring it to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat and let it cook slowly for at least 6 to 8 hours, skimming any foam that rises. Finally, let's finish and season your delicious faux broth. Carefully strain the broth through a fine mesh sieve to remove all bones and spices, leaving you with a beautifully clear liquid. Season the broth with good quality fish sauce, a piece of rock sugar, and a pinch of salt. Taste and adjust as needed, aiming for that perfect balance of savory and slightly sweet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.